All right, so we have Karoy here and Dexter Lembikisa. Dexter, first up, non-football related. I'm not sure you saw the interview on Knockings where the fans were trying to pronounce your name. What did you make about it?
Oh man, it was funny. It was interesting how he was piecing it together. To be fair, but it's Lembikisa, so yeah.
All right, Dexter. Now back to the game. Disappointing result back in Curacao, but we came back today and we're now back on top of the table. What's your mindset now going into November's window?
100%. Next games we got to win. We got to put it to bed. We have to qualify. Obviously, that game we was all frustrated about the result. Like we shouldn't be winning against these teams. We should be playing well. We should be getting the result we need to get. So I think it showed today as well that we were a bit more clinical and finished our chances to get four goals on the sheet.
Yeah, Karoy, in most of your career you've been playing with Dexter in terms of, for Jamaica. Just speak to me about the guys' relationship, because in the half space with centre midfielders, a right back, and there's a lot of communication there. Speak to me about the relationship on and off the pitch.
I think because we've got such a good relationship off the pitch, it just kind of goes on to the pitch, and I've seen a lot of the way he plays, and as a midfielder, like knowing how your fullback plays helps. So you know when to go into the space and he's gonna play it, or when you're gonna run him behind the play. So yeah, it's good playing with him. It's good.
Yeah, how about you, Des?
Yeah, no, 100%. Obviously, me and Karoy are first off the pitch, and it's always good to have a on off the pitch, and then on the pitch it becomes much easier. Obviously, he's a good player, and obviously I take things out of his game to help me. Obviously playing right back and rolling into centre mid, it's not always that you're doing it. So watching his clips helps me,
All right, one final question. In November now, we have one game in Trinidad and one back here in Jamaica against Curacao. Is there anything that you'd like to say to the fans to ask them to come out and to support us, especially on that final day in which the entire Jamaica will be storming the field as we qualify for the World Cup?
Yeah, 100%, man. Keep coming out, keep supporting like today, man. Thank you for your support. Come out again and bring the energy, man. We need to get to this World Cup.
All right, thanks Dexter, thanks Karoy. We do appreciate you guys, and safe journey back home.
Thank you.